about chat GPT questions, right? You got completely made up answer, right? Like who won NBA final last year? They're getting confidentially wrong information sometime, right? So what happened is the problem with this one. That's the because regular AI can only use what in the head, right? What is there in head? They can show only those information, right? And the problem is sometimes they don't have updated information or what they in their head. So let's talk about how to this ReAct solve the problem. Reasoning plus acting prompt this one solve the problem. So basically, this will how to make AI to think and like the humans, basically think, act, observe, and react. So key benefit is the external tool. It can use external tool like Google, Wikipedia, calculator, and define the real information instead of guessing. Right. So React from team is how to make AI to think and like humans. Think about what you need to do, act. So first it will think, then it act, then it observe, and then based on information repeat, right? So this is how it will look like. Example and the React. Why the React based chain the thoughts, feature chain of thoughts, and so chain of thoughts. Previously we talk about chain of the React, beat the chain of thought, right? So basically, so previously I talk in my lecture. I have also talk about chain of thoughts. So if you guys like, you can go here and watch. So I created chain of thoughts is here in my created so you guys can go of the chain of thoughts, graph of thought, tree of thought, graph of thoughts, and chain of thoughts. I think chain of thoughts is here, and I compare here various methods, right? So chain of thought, self, consistency, and variety of edits. So you guys can go through. I'm going to uh, give you more details here. So basically, chain of thought is one of another things which is do, but it chain of thought basically question, think, and answer, right? This only what AI is here, right? So, but React question, think, act, again question, think, act. This will think, don't act. Then Google Wikipedia check, and then again see, think, and then act, calculator, a database API answer, right? So basically, there is a couple of difference between chain of thoughts and React. So use external tool, no, but it will use can check fact, no, but it can check is self-correct rarely, but yes, is transparent reasoning, yes, and yes. This best for can help you resp and verify info. So if you want verify info, then you can use this one. And this the prompt. So you need to guide, search query, search the information and topic. Example, search the Python programming language, written Wikipedia article, looks and finish. So prompt. So you need to make the prompt like that. Question. Your question is here. You will use this pattern thought, action, and observation, and your question will be here. And have you ever accessed these two search query and query thoughts? Yeah. So this is the chain of thoughts, and I have React from the implementation is Olama free, right? So this is the code I implemented. I can give you guys free. It's very simple, but it's in free my colab. So you can run this code. Basically, it will give you understanding how we can work. So importing groups, and then basically I'm using a group key. So the key came here. Then first I'm checking quick testing is hello world is coming, right? So now hello world is coming. Now what React? So React is basically thought, action, observation. Thought, action, the basic LLM call. So this is not nothing. Ask question from temp is 0.07 and response chat client.chat.templates.create model equal to model, right? Language equal to message equal to temperature equal to temperature. Max token is this, and then this will print some information. What is 2 plus 2 is word 4, right? So ask the chosen here ask, and then it will convert 4. Then define the action, search, calculate, and finish. So right here we do search, then keep 2 plus 3 sentences ask, result, and submit. And then the if you can want see result, you can see Eiffel time. Yeah. So this is basically verifying. Similarly, calculator some API, and then we do calculator API, then some value, and then we finish the return on special so it's ready. Execute the action, so we can see execute the action. So basically, it's test Python high language, test calculation, this finish answer is the 42. Simply pass action LLM models, and then testing response. So this is the model is ready. Now you can in the test from this score. Let's see. So this is what is the capital of France. So it will available questions, always to be executed, action, thought, action. For example, I need to the population of Japan, thought, research in the population of Japan, thought I need to calculate 20% of population, act calculate 15 to 20, thought this is for information. Yeah, so on thing. So you guys go through it and implement yourself, try yourself in your local, and this is what you can get result. If you have an 80 apple, you get 35% of how many were left, right? So it's basically question is this one. Step thought, find out how many apple left. 30% is this is what observation. Step two thought, you have number of apple given. You need subtract, so it did subtract. Step three thought, now you have final number left. Can I provide information? 52 final lesson fees. So things it's really nice. I really like it. Thank you for